Work, it's the fabric of our days, the thing we do day in and day out to make life tick. For some, it's an art. For others, it's a grind. Either way, work defines us. And now, sitting quietly in the corner, unnoticed by many but already rewriting the rules, is a new kind of assistant. Not a person, not even a thing really. It's code, algorithms, AI co-pilots. But don't let the soft introduction fool you. This is no small shift. This is a revolution in the making. We've always been defined by our tools. Fire allowed us to cook and keep warm. The wheel let us move faster than our feet ever could. The printing press spread ideas like wildfire, and the internet made knowledge almost limitless. But this feels different. AI. It's a tool that learns, that adapts, that challenges the boundaries of what we thought only humans could do. GitHub Copilot, writing code like it's been doing it for years. Jasper AI, drafting marketing pitches and blog posts that your boss would swear you wrote. ChatGPT, an encyclopedia, a therapist, a strategist, all rolled into one. These tools don't just help you, they anticipate you. They finish your sentences, correct your mistakes, and sometimes even outthink you. They're not just assistants. They're partners. But here's where it gets interesting. When you work with one of these co-pilots, it's not like working with another person. There's no negotiation, no back and forth. They just do. And if you're not careful, they might just take over. Sure, you're still typing, still clicking, but are you the author of your work anymore? Or just the editor of something the machine already created? To the untrained eye, it's magic. A coder stuck on a bug gets the solution handed to them on a platter. A writer blocked on the first sentence suddenly has paragraphs to choose from. It's fast, it's seamless, it's impressive, but let's not pretend it's perfect. It makes mistakes, it gets things wrong, and sometimes the work it produces, it's just soulless. And that brings us to the heart of the matter. What is work really? Is it just the output, the words on the page, the lines of code, the finished product? Or is it something more? The struggle, the craft, the human touch. When you bring in a co-pilot, you're trading effort for ease, process for speed. It's a fair trade, maybe. But what do we lose when we stop doing the work ourselves? This isn't just about writing blogs or debugging code. These co-pilots are spreading into every corner of life. Teachers are using AI to create lesson plans in minutes. Doctors are using it to sift through mountains of data, spotting patterns no human could ever see. Factory workers are sharing shifts with robots that never tire. And yet, the same question lingers. Where do we fit into this picture? Are we still the pilots or just passengers? I've spent a lot of time thinking about this, about the nature of work, the satisfaction of building something from scratch, of putting in the hours, the thought, the sweat. These tools, these co-pilots, they don't take that away completely, but they change it. They make it faster, smoother, less painful, and sometimes less rewarding. That's the paradox, isn't it? Easier isn't always better. Faster isn't always more fulfilling. But maybe that's not the point. Maybe the co-pilot isn't here to replace the pilot. Maybe it's here to free us from the mundane, the repetitive, the tedious, to let us focus on the parts of work that matter most, the creativity, the strategy, the human connection. If we use it wisely, that is, if we don't let it fly the plane entirely. The rise of AI co-pilots isn't just about technology, it's about us, how we choose to work, what we value, what we're willing to give up in the name of progress. It's not a simple story. It's messy, complicated, and like all the best stories, still unfolding. The question isn't whether these co-pilots will change the way we work. They already have. The question is, how will we change in return? The tools are here, the future is now. What's your next move? Let's figure it out together.